The initial estimates of the disease progression suggested that we needed 30,000 ventilators in about 8 weeks. And of course, every other nation on earth was facing the same challenge. That wasn't just a matter of, okay, well, let's just manufacture them faster. We needed to look at new designs. Whenever you make a change to a medical device, you've got to get it reapproved. So we needed to have a relationship with the medical regulator in order to be able to approve new and modified designs in lightning speed. We needed to get access to hospitals to do the trials. We needed to stand up a manufacturing capability on the scale of automotive manufacturing, not on the scale of medical device manufacturing. And we needed to deliver that manufacturing capability in a matter of weeks. We needed all the skills that you need in terms of design and manufacturing and regulations and logistics and training and people and finance. And I don't think I've worked on a project that has used so many different skills from so many different parts of PA, all colliding at pace into one objective. We stood up 15 design programs within about 3 weeks. And each one of those had a set of partner organizations around it. In total, there were probably about 50 different companies, from the largest of the UK manufacturing companies, GKN and Rolls-Royce and Ford and McLaren, all the way through to very specialist manufacturers developing exquisite product that was only ever going to get used for this program. Penlon is a medical device manufacturer that makes anaesthetic ventilators. Within days of meeting Penlon, we had brokered the relationship between them and the manufacturers, including Ford, who were going to scale up their production. We were making more ventilators in a day than Penlon would historically make in a year, and they produced the most ventilators for the Ventilator Challenge. I think it leaves PA, and not just those of us who were privileged to work on the program, but every one of us, it leaves us with a rightful sense of pride of what PA has been able to deliver to support the pandemic that we found ourselves in. If we had just tried to do everything in a standard sort of linear approach, we would not have got there. So if ever there's a testament to needing to think differently, to bringing ingenuity to our thinking, I think this project is a pretty good example of that.